developing at 2:30? What kind of trade did we see developing at 2:30? Do we all agree that they're doing the liquidity at this point? Do you agree with that? They're doing the liquidity. They're doing the liquidity into 2:30 on the other side. See that? They're doing the liquidity. They're doing the liquidity. They're doing the liquidity. So what's going to happen? The trade is therefore going to be bullish from that liquidity build-up at that stage. Do you agree? So they're doing the liquidity from the 2:30 phase, and the idea is to then take that market bid, isn't it? Where did it go? Where did it go, guys? My God. I've lost it, guys. I've lost it. Bloody idiot. Okay, so the idea is to take the market bid at that stage. And obviously what happens to that trade? That's what happens to that trade, right? So there's your liquidity build-up around about that 2:30 area. So they're running the liquidity, they're running the liquidity, they're running the liquidity. You're starting to look now for that idea, that storyline, that value narrative, that idea that this is what we should be seeing at around about the 2:30 for the equity markets. The same as what we see on the oil markets, either just before 2 o'clock or just after 2 o'clock. That same liquidity build-up. We have covered this all before, guys. So everybody should know this. So we see it developing, and obviously the takeaway from that buy trade was obviously brutal. You know, we came off that 800 level, we came off the 900 level, and obviously we rallied it all the way back up towards that 970 top line kind of price level as well. So you can see that that's now what's happening up here in that liquidity buildup. All of these longs need higher prices to get closed, don't they? All the longs need higher prices to get closed. So when we see that build up, we know that this top edge is now the opposite of that bottom edge there at that particular time. So that's the normal idea. And then we look to see if we can check that from other things, the structures, the markets, the deltas, the book, the value, of course, needs to be sell side. Otherwise, it's not going to be a sell anyway. It's just going to be an exit. So we start looking for that as a possible top line swing opportunity to maybe get back into the flip. Surprised not more people knew that. We'll maybe have to do it all over again, Kim.